If you're looking for pocket watches, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Train Pocket Watches. Number 1, most popular, by ManChDa. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by new brand MOL. Number 3, by MILIYA. For more details about this great train pocket watches, just click this circle. Number 4, by YouYouPifa. Number 5, by Picvadee. Find these pocket watches at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6. Number 7, by new brand MOL. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by YouYouPifa. Number 9, by Citizen. Discover more pocket watches ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by new brand MOL.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.